It has started raining. It is raining very heavily. 5 to 10 minutes ago, there was a sharp sunlight, then a few cloud came, then the sky was totally dark, then it started drizzling, and now it is raining heavily. After a long gap, it is raining. Even plants are happy. They are getting drenched in rainy water. Let me put some plants under the rain so they will also get drenched in the rainy water. Wow. My son, he got cough, so I didn't send him to school. He is taking rest at home. In the morning, I played with him with crayons and with soft toys, and he colored some pictures. He did some school activity. Then he got bored, so I have put on TV for him. He is watching cartoon. I have come outside on the gallery. It is raining, so I felt to just come outside and see the rain. So meanwhile, I thought, why should I not make a video? It is such a relief because it was very hot from past 1 to 2 weeks. 1 to 2 weeks ago, it rained for 2 days, then again it stopped, and a very sharp sunlight was there. Now, yesterday also it was drizzling. It was not that heavy, but now it is raining very heavily, and I wish that it would rain for at least 1 hour so that temperature will be maintained. Otherwise, temperature is very high here, and very soon Sawan would come, but it is not giving feeling that Sawan month would start very soon. So just speak out whatever is happening around you, whatever you are observing, whatever the objects are there, what emotions you are feeling. To do self practice at home. What have you cooked? What recipe has turned out delicious? What shopping you have done? What things do you like most? If you are a homemaker and you have taken break and you want to restart again, then think about your future, that what you want to do in the future. How would you restart? What you are doing to upgrade yourself, and how you are upgrading your skill to restart your career. And don't get nostalgia, don't get just stuck in the past that you were not able to restart. Just leave it behind, whatever has happened. Just focus at present and in the future, that what do you want to do in the future, how would you start. And if you are a mother of a toddler, then very soon, when he would start going to school, then you would get a chance to upgrade yourself. So in which area would you like to restart your career? Are you a teacher, or you singer, dancer? Whatever you are, just upgrade your skill, and very soon you would be able to restart your career. You would be able to just kick off your journey very soon. I will see you in the next video. Till then, keep it simple, practice every day, and enjoy your English journey. Thank you for watching.